Just about to start the workshop inaugural ceremony. Before that, I request everybody to kindly be seated and please keep your cell phones in silent mode. Thank you.
Morning and a very, very happy new year to everyone present. I'm Shovna Mishra, your host for the day, and I take a proud privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, our guest of honor, the dignitaries, the invitees, the delegates, and the friends from media to the one-day workshop program and the inaugural ceremony for the pollution control in iron and steel industry, the digital transformation with the power of IoT. Biju Patnaik National Steel Institute, in collaboration with State Pollution Control Board Odisha, has organized the one-day workshop to discuss the importance of digital transformation in meeting the challenges of pollution control in iron and steel industries. These sectors are growing rapidly, and hence it is a must to harness the power of IoT for better pollution control and energy efficiency. So we are very, very happy and proud to have as our honorable chief guest Shri Debidatta Biswal, Member Secretary, State Pollution Control Board, Odisha. Could we have a round of applause for our honorable chief guest? And our honorable guest of honor, Dr. K. Murugesan, IFS, Director Environment, Government of Odisha. We welcome you to the ceremony, sir. There is an official announcement although. Our honorable chief secretary, Government of Odisha, was to be our honorable chief guest for the occasion, but because of some unavoidable circumstances, he is not able to present here, but he has all the best wishes for today's workshop and the inaugural ceremony as well. Now let me take the proud privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, Shri Debidatta Biswal, IFS Member Secretary, State Pollution Control Board, Odisha, to the front to light the lamp and start the inaugural ceremony. To join him, I would request our honorable guest of honor, Dr. K. Murugesan, IFS, Director Environment, Government of Odisha. I would invite Shri Pankaj Vittal, Director, Biju Patnaik National Steel Institute, to the front. I will welcome Dr. A.K. Swar, Chief Environmental Engineer, State Pollution Control Board, Odisha. I'll welcome Mr. C.P. Mohanty, Senior Assistant Professor, BPNSI, and I welcome Engineer P.K. Mahalik, Organizing Secretary. Sir, let us all light the lamp and inaugurate the inaugural ceremony.